Hey guys, Kunal here, Bulls on Wall Street. What a great start to 2021. I'm sure you guys have heard that 2020 was a year for the record books in the stock market. You had so many companies like Tesla and NIO and so many others going up thousands of percent over the course of the year. In 2021, we are seeing that same type of action. If you've been thinking about how to get started in trading, my 60-day boot camp is the class that you need. I only teach live classes, as this is a job like anything else. You need to learn live and from a real teacher. No videos allowed. I teach class 4 days a week for 2 months. 2 hours, 4 days a week. We start everybody off from the dead beginning. What software to use, how to set it all up, and what the heck charts are and what they do. In every single class, we layer on more and more complicated concepts to take you from A to Z on everything you need to know about trading. From there, I spend time trading in front of you guys live, so you can actually see me put to work the concepts that you're using in class. This is a university-style system. We go from live classes to real trading, and then we put our students on trading simulators and we watch you. I believe this 360-degree format is the best way to learn how to trade. Guys, this is a hard job like anything else. You can't learn it in 3 to 4 days of watching some videos or some ebook that you downloaded for free. I'm starting class on February 11th, and I'm coming in roaring this year, and I'd love for you guys to join me. Guys, I look forward to working with every single one of you guys.